Okay, here's the situation. We've built this bit here. Hammond is going to bring the boat around here, and we're now going to tow it to the end of what we've already built, where we can attach our new section.
It was a simple plan, but then it turned out that Hammond had never used an outboard motor.
Pull the cord!
Where's the cord? Oh,
It's in the top of the... There!
I got it.
It works!
How do I make it move?
Twist the thing. There you go. HMS Hammond is underway.
In your own time, quick as you like.
You ready? Job one, tie on. Right, perfect. Now, pull me along. Go, go, power!
Oh, give me strength.
You pulled the bloody fishing rod holder
Tie it
off.
to the fishing rod. Why did you tie it to the fishing?
I didn't tie it to the fishing rod, you blithering idiot.
Right. Are you ready? We're setting off.
Hammer's gone upside down again.
What the... Oh, jeez. How has he done...
I'll pull you in.
Weirdly, none of the other locals would lend us a boat after that. So we had to drag the new section into place by hand.
Look at this, I'm moving 100 metres of bridge all by myself. Water's really slippery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ready? Look at that for docking. There you go.
Work continued for